Hello everybody, my name is Mary. Now I introduce favorite animal. My favorite animal is rabbit. It have white fur legs and two long ears. It lives in jungle and it eat carrot. It can ramp. I love